Jonathan Zerke here for Sunbelt Custom Homes and another episode of New Homes Built Right. Today we're here at our Fort Langley Deep Energy Retrofit, and I'm here with Jason from Gandy. How you doing, Jason?
Very good.
Good. Now, Jason did some duct sealing for us. Maybe tell us what you've been doing here to help us make this home more energy efficient.
Absolutely, I'd love to. So what we have here is a fan box. This fan box comes from Aeroseal. What Aeroseal does is we seal up ducts from the inside using a glue. That glue travels through two heaters in my fan box that turn into an aeroseal particle that once I have connected my fan box using plastic lay flat to their ductwork, I'm able to blow my glue through, and then as it travels through the ductwork, it's finding every single little joint and connection. Anywhere there's leakage, my Aeroseal will go through, and as it is exiting the ductwork, it is closing, making that nice tight seal.
That's awesome, Jason. So tell me, I know this was really leaky because we tested before, so how did we do when we sealed it up? What is our efficiency?
Well, going off of my test here, my pre-seal test determined that there was a 101.9 square inch hole over the whole system.
Yeah,
this
huge.
being a 5,000 square foot home,
yeah,
that's actually kind of average.
Yeah, okay.
So that's 2,000 CFM, 27% of the entire system.
Wow.
After service, we got our leakage in square inches down to 8.
Nice.
Down from 100.
Wow, that's pretty good. So you can see, folks, how efficient, more efficient we made this duct, and that's going to make this home more energy efficient. So remember, folks, if a new home is worth building, and if it's worth doing a deep energy retrofit on, it's worth doing right.